Hey everyone, Michael here, and welcome to another breakdown video of some of the trades that we called out in the Discord group. And till the end of the video, again, we'll talk about some predictions that I think will happen for next week, and hopefully that will help you plan your trades for gold in the coming week. But before we jump into that, let's go ahead and look at some of the stats that we had for November. Basically, November we ended up pretty good at 48, 4, and 10 at 92%. And December we're at 2 wins, 1 break even, and 100% so far for the 1st of December. Now, hopefully we can end this month strong to end the year. Now, going back to my chart over here to look at some of the trades that we called out. The first trade was actually a reversal trade. Basically, Asian session, we saw this manipulation move taking out the Asian lows. So we waited for that for a retracement and we took this buy up for gold. And then going to New York, we saw this volume going up, and due to news that was positive for gold, we took advantage of this ride up. And another position that we called was over here. This was actually anticipating the Asian lows to be swept. So what we did was a breakout for 15 and took this position down for around 20 pips. And once it hit a support here and bounced off our algo line, we went in for a buy over here. And then going to New York, we saw the price hitting our order block, coming down, pull back, and we took this sell down and then got our pips. And then it retraced again, hit a higher order block over here, and then retraced. After the change of character in the lower time frame, we took our sell again over here for a nice 49.50 pips. So let's see what other position we have called out. And here's another one. We saw the price went up, took liquidity, came back down. This was actually during news, I believe, and then liquidity was taken, support was respected, and then a breakout, and that's where we took our buy over here. And here's a buy for gold in Asian session. Price went into our order block over here and also tapped into our 61.8% level. We took the buy up. And then I believe on Friday over here, we're pretty bullish on gold. Even last week, I said there's a possibility that we'll tap all-time highs, which we did. And we'll talk more about that in just a second. But after the news came out, we wait for our opportunity to jump on. And then we took this really quick buy over here for around 47 pips. And this was just a buy after news after this breakout. And we took advantage of this volume. And then it continued to drive all the way up over here, tap into the all-time highs. So what I'm thinking for next week, if we zoom out a little bit, you can see that we're in this channel over here, upward channel, and it's still continuing. So because of the fundamentals and how the price is forming, there's a high chance that will continue going up for gold next week. So open up next week, we could possibly see price going up and then coming back into range. Either to this fair value gap and then bounces up to find new support, or we can even test the support and then hit up again. So that's a scenario that I'll be looking for that could happen for gold depending on how price forms and depending on the news that comes out. So overall, I'm very bullish on gold, and if there's a good opportunity for a pullback to buy in on gold, that's what I'll be looking for next week. So if you want to keep up to date on what I'm looking for and receive free chart markups, you can join my free Discord group in the description below. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.